Smoothie Overload. Smoothies sound saintly, but many are just sugar bombs in disguise. Toss in bananas, mangoes, honey, and suddenly you've got 60 grams of sugar, same as a soda. Sure, it's natural sugar, but your pancreas doesn't care. It still has to crank out insulin like it's on overtime. Use it right, one fruit only, then load up with veggies, spinach, cucumber, celery, and add protein, yogurt, chia, or whey. Keep it refreshing, not a dessert in disguise. Almond Overdose. Almonds are great, but if you snack like a squirrel on steroids, you're loading up on oxalates. Too much, and kidney stones. Plus, they're calorie dense. A healthy handful is like 23 almonds. Most people eat 80 without blinking. That's basically a cheesecake in nut form. Use it right. Stick to one handful, 20 to 23 almonds, or mix with walnuts and cashews for variety. Think of almonds as a sidekick, not the whole movie. Whole grain bread. Sounds heart healthy, right? Except whole grain often just means slightly less refined flour. Blood sugar still spikes, insulin still crashes. It's like breaking your leg and saying, at least it's not both legs. Use it right. Eat occasionally, not daily. Pair with protein, eggs, turkey, hummus, to soften the sugar hit. Better fiber sources, beans, lentils, and real vegetables. Spinach Everyday. Popeye swore by it, but too much spinach equals oxalates again. Plus, it blocks calcium absorption. Eat it daily in giant salads, and you might weaken bones instead of strengthening them. Use it right. Rotate your greens. Spinach today, kale or arugula tomorrow, romaine the next. Keep your minerals balanced and your skeleton happy. Agave Syrup, marketed as the low glycemic sweetener, but it's basically 90% fructose. Fructose doesn't spike blood sugar, it goes straight to your liver where it gets turned into fat. It's like hiring a babysitter and finding out they threw a house party. Use it right. Use sparingly, like an occasional drizzle. Safer options, honey, maple syrup, or, wild idea, less sweetener overall. Brown rice. It's praised as better than white rice, but here's the plot twist. Brown rice contains phytic acid, which binds minerals like iron and zinc, blocking absorption. Eat it all the time, and you might starve your body of nutrients while thinking you're eating clean. Use it right. Rotate with quinoa, buckwheat, or lentils, or sprout your rice before cooking to reduce phytic acid. Don't make rice your religion. Avocado Everything. Avocados are healthy fats, yes. But if you're slathering avocado toast every morning, guac at lunch, and avocado oil cooking at night, you're pushing a ton of omega-6 fatty acids. Too much inflammation. Use it right. Half an avocado per day is plenty. Balance with omega-3s, salmon, sardines, chia, walnuts, so you don't turn into an inflammation machine. Protein bars. They wear gym clothes, but inside, candy bars with a marketing degree. Most are full of sugar alcohols, hello digestive disaster, and artificial sweeteners. Your healthy post-workout snack is just a bloated stomach in disguise. Use it right. Keep as an emergency option. Look for bars with less than 10 grams sugar and short ingredient lists. Better alternatives? Boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, or a small handful of nuts. Kombucha Craze. Fermented tea sounds magical, but it's often loaded with added sugar, and if you chug it daily for probiotics, surprise, you can mess with your gut balance too. Probiotics are like guests. You want a variety, not one rowdy kombucha frat house taking over your microbiome. Use it right. Limit to one small bottle, 250 ml, a few times a week. Mix it up with yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut for a balanced gut party. Nut butters. Healthy fats. Protein-packed. True. But have you seen a tablespoon? Nobody eats one. We eat 6, then tell ourselves it was just a spoonful. Suddenly, your healthy snack is 800 calories and your genes are crying for mercy. Use it right. Actually measure 1 tablespoon. Spread on apple slices, celery, or whole grain toast. And for safety, never eat it straight out of the jar during Netflix binges. Superfood powders. Matcha, spirulina, maca. They sound exotic, but loading your smoothie with powders doesn't guarantee health. Some can interfere with medications, others are contaminated with heavy metals, and honestly, most of the benefits? Way overhyped. Eating an actual carrot is usually safer than a $50 glowing green powder. Use it right. Use occasionally as a booster, not a daily crutch. Focus on real whole foods, berries, carrots, leafy greens. Nature already made superfoods. No need to buy magic dust.